Hello friends, you're most welcome to this video. This is our fifth video in reference to Government University Public Admissions Board, and in this video we are discussing the cutoff points. How do you determine the cutoff points for a given course? And for example, these are what you have seen there are cutoff points for Makerere University, Kampala, and for different courses, as you can see there. For example, I can see course number 1 is Bachelor of Pharmacy, and for academic year 2023-2024, the cutoff points for that course for female is 45.4 and for males is 46.8, and as the cutoffs have increased, if you compare it with the previous year 2022-23, they have a little bit increased, as you can see. So how do you determine that cutoff point? Let me assume a student who wants to do pharmacy has done BCM, GP and ICT. So if you have done BCM and you have gotten A in biology, A in chemistry, A in mathematics, and the essential subjects for Bachelor of Pharmacy is chemistry and biology, and you have A in those essentials, that means you have 6 points. That is 12 for biology and chemistry. So you multiply that by 3. You multiply the weight of your essential subjects times 3. So if you have 12 times 3, that is 36. And then you add the other relevant subjects, and that one now becomes mathematics is a relevant subject. Relevant, you multiply it times 2. So if you have an A in math, that is 6 times 2, that's 12. So you get that 12 plus the 36, that is 48. Then you other subjects that you did are called desirable subjects. That is to say, GP 1 point, and then subsidiary ICT also 1 point. Those are 2 plus the 48, that is 50. Then you also add your O-level weight, where we said that if you have a distinction in O-level, that is 0.3. So you have 1 distinction times 0.3. Then credit is multiplied by 0.2. So if you count the number of credits you have times 0.2, then I pass 0.1. Then you add that weight to this 50. You may find you have another 2. So you get 52. That will be your total cutoff point. If you're a girl, then you add the 1.5 affirmative action point. Then you go to around 53 or so. That will be your cutoff point. I'm assuming if you have 53, then already you have qualified for Bachelor of Pharmacy according to this, because the cutoff point is just 45. If you have 53, you are very far high. You are a super student. So when you look at this, those are the cutoff points. Bachelor of Medicine and Bachelor of Surgery. If you have for pharmacy, you need about 17 points for boys and above, and about 16 for girls and above, 16 minimum. And then for Bachelor of Medicine and the Bachelor of Surgery, a cutoff point of 48.1. For boys, you need about 18 points and above, and also girls similarly, you need about 18 points and above to go for Bachelors of Medicine and Bachelors of Surgery for Makerere. And then other courses down there, Civil Engineering, you need about 18 points and above. It has a cutoff points of 49.1. But there are some courses like you look at conservation biology. I can see it has just cutoff points of 29.7. That means somebody with 10 points can go on national merit to do conservation biology if you calculate very well. A minimum of 10 can earn you that course. And then when you go down to MOOBS, Makerere University Business School, the Bachelor of International Business has a cutoff point of 50. And then Bachelor of Social Work has a cutoff points of 50.3. So that means you need 20 points or at least 19. At least 19 points. That's what you need. So you need to be very careful as you look at this, as you fill this form, so that you don't feel offside. Otherwise, you may fill courses. At the end of it all, you celebrate filling, but you still don't qualify for those courses. Then when you need also to compare. For example, Bachelor of Medicine and Bachelor of Surgery. In Makerere University, you need 48.6. That's the cutoff point. But that means you need about 18 points and above. In Mbarara University, it is 46.9. That means a student who has at least 17 and above would qualify for medicine and surgery at Mbarara. When you look at Gulu, it is 47, around 18 points. Soroti is 45. That means somebody with even 16 points who has excelled in O-level and other factors, and a girl of 16 points could easily get a government national merit medicine and surgery in Soroti. So if you were a wise student, you would actually feel medicine and surgery Soroti. Then maybe Mbarara, Gulu, then Makerere. So in that order, if you had to pick your first choices, you would rather put a university which has the lowest cutoff points for that particular course. So if you are filling these courses, you look at that course and compare its cutoff points in different universities. Then you choose the university with the lowest cutoff points for that course. Preferably would be the one you would fill if you want to be competitive. When you look at a course like education, science, biological science, education, Chambogo, the cutoff points are 42.3, Kabale is 40.6, Lira is 41.1, Gulu is 42.2. So that means a wise student would feel science, education, Kabale or Lira, because those are the ones with relatively lower cutoff points. So that is how you feel. You have to have some intelligence. Otherwise, if you just feel, you may end up just feeling because of the name of the university. You remember, these universities all carry equal weight. A graduate of Makerere is the same as a graduate of Mbarara, Soroti, Gulu, because in most cases, in fact, the lecturers are also the same. And you may find that there are some courses where other universities are better than Makerere. So you may find you are getting the best everywhere. So as long as the university is chartered, they offer the best. So please, when you are filling, choose the one with the lowest cutoff points on a particular case. That is the university you fill. So thank you very much. In the next video, we will be looking at the weighing system, and then the essential subjects, the relevant subject, and the desirable subject. Thank you for watching. I want to call upon you to subscribe to this channel for exclusive information on education.